Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO Esavings. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up and using your BMO Esavings account. To start, you will need to have a BMO bank account and be registered for online banking. First, log into your BMO online banking account and navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you will see the option to open a new Esavings account. Click on this option and follow the prompts to create your account. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name and address, and set up a savings goal. Once your account is set up, you can start making deposits. You can do this by transferring funds from your existing BMO bank account or by setting up automatic transfers. To transfer funds, simply select the account you want to transfer from. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. One of the key benefits of a BMO Esavings account is the competitive interest rate it offers. This means that your savings will grow over time, helping you reach your financial goals faster. You can track your interest earnings and account balance online or through the BMO mobile app. To make the most of your Esavings account, consider setting up automatic transfers to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. You can also set up savings goals, such as a vacation or down payment on a house, to help you stay motivated and focused on your objectives. Best practices for using your BMO Esavings account include regularly reviewing your account activity and balance, taking advantage of the competitive interest rate, and avoiding withdrawals unless absolutely necessary. By following these tips and making regular deposits, you can maximize the benefits of your Esavings account and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, setting up and using a BMO Esavings account is a straightforward process that can help you reach your financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and practicing good savings habits, you can make the most of your account and start building a stronger financial future.